Hey friends, welcome back to Rabi Hobby, your go-to channel for all things delicious. Today we are diving into a special recipe that's going to tantalize your taste bud, Thecha Pav. But wait, it's not your regular vada pav. It's a spicy twist you won't want to miss. Alright, let's get started. First up, we are going to prep our ingredients. Grab 4-5 green chilies, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, and a handful of fresh coriander. And let's chop them up finely. Next, heat up some mustard oil in a pan. Once it's hot, toss in our chopped green chilies and garlic. Let them sizzle away for a couple of minutes. Now for extra flavor kick, we'll add a pinch of asafoetida and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Stir it all together and let those aromas fill your kitchen. Time to brighten up, throw in chopped coriander leaves and give it a quick saute. Then add 4 tablespoons of roasted peanuts for that irresistible crunch. Mix it all up and let it cool for a few minutes. Once cooled, transfer everything to a grinder and blitz it into a coarse paste. This is where all those flavors come together to create magic. Back to the pan. Add a tablespoon of butter. And our Thecha paste. Now, let's introduce our co-star, 2 small boiled potatoes mashed up. Season with salt and give it a good mix until everything nicely combined. In the same pan, a little more butter goes in. Spread a thin layer of Thecha paste on each half of our pav bread and toast them until they are golden brown and crispy. Now here comes the fun part. Place a generous spoonful of spicy potato mix on each half of the pav. And let's not forget the cheese, because everything is better with cheese, right? Close it up like a sandwich and press it down gently. And voila! Our mouth-watering Thecha Pav is ready to be devoured. Serve it up with green chili for an extra kick. And get ready for a flavor explosion in every bite. Okay guys, let's try the Thecha Pav. Zabardast. Must try this. Easy to make and yummy to eat.
Happy.
Spicy.
Your whole world around you is
Good
both
spicy.
in the near but also.
Thanks for joining me on this flavor-packed adventure. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did making it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Robbie Hobby for more tasty treats. And hey, I'm always looking for a way to improve, so feel free to drop your suggestions in the below comment. Oh, and if you are in New Jersey and want to be my taste guest for the next video, let me know. Until next time, Alvida.